Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. St. George is a small town in Charlotte County in southwestern New Brunswick, about 40 kilometers west of St. John and only a short drive from the border with Maine. The town serves as a service center for many of the smaller communities nearby. St. George has a population of about 1,500 people. Even with its modest size, it has long played an important role in the local economy and continues to be a busy community. The area was first settled by Loyalists following the American Revolution, with additional settlers arriving from Scotland and other parts of the British Isles. The town takes its name from St. George, the patron saint of England.
Thank you very much.
During the 1800s, the nearby Magaguadavic River provided water power for sawmills and other early industries, helping the community grow into an important local center for trade and manufacturing. One of the most important industries in St. George has been granite quarrying. The region is well known for its high-quality grey granite, which has been used in buildings, monuments, bridges, and public works across Canada and the United States. Local quarries have operated for well over a century, and the stone from this area has earned an excellent reputation for its strength and durability. Granite remains an important part of the town's identity, even though the industry is smaller than it once was. Aquaculture is another major employer in the region. Charlotte County is one of Canada's leading salmon farming areas, and many people living in St. George work in fish farming, seafood processing, transportation, marine services, and equipment maintenance. Companies supporting the aquaculture industry provide stable employment throughout the area, making it one of the economic foundations of the local community. Forestry and wood products have also been important for generations. The forests surrounding St. George supply timber for lumber, pulp, and other wood products. The Magaguadavic River flows directly through the community and has always been central to life here. The river provided transportation, water power, and excellent fishing long before modern roads were built. Today, it adds to the town's natural beauty and offers opportunities for boating, kayaking, canoeing, and recreational fishing. One of the best-known landmarks in St. George is the Granite Town Railway Museum. The museum preserves the history of the Canadian Pacific Railway and the important role rail transportation played in moving granite blocks, timber, and other goods throughout the region. Rail service helped local industries expand by connecting this small community to larger markets across Canada and beyond. Housing in St. George is generally more affordable than in many larger Canadian communities. In recent years, the average price of a detached home has typically ranged between $300,000 and $375,000, although prices vary depending on the size, age, and location of the property. The relatively affordable housing market continues to attract retirees, families, and people looking for a slower-paced lifestyle without giving up essential services. Today, St. George continues to balance its industrial heritage with modern industries and outdoor recreation. Granite quarrying, aquaculture, forestry, and local businesses remain important to the economy, while the rivers, forests, and nearby coastline make the area an attractive place to live and visit. Thanks for watching!